Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally back after a long hiatus, but I promised I would do an unboxing that I have here that finally came to me. As you guys may or may not know, in my last video I mentioned that this thing was already late. As from my memory, I'd have to go look at my emails on the old updates, but I don't know if it would list it, but it's probably about 10 days late, if not more. So this was supposed to be arriving the day of my mom's birthday on the 5th, so you do the math. And it's from FedEx, and we have some terrible FedEx delivery issues, at least in my area. I don't know about you guys', but it's really dumb. But anyways, at least it wasn't some, huge purchase. So I do have a Coach unboxing coming up in about a few days, so stay tuned for that. So let's get into it. This is going to be a small little unboxing. The box looks to be in okay condition, not bad at all. So one of these is for a present for my mom's birthday. Oh boy. Well, I guess not. I just got one item, but let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, it's a box, and this is for me, this part of my purchase. So it says Dooney and Bourke. Open it up. Ooh, it's so cute. I've always wanted this, always. So here it is. Make sure you can see that there. This is the, this way. This is the Dooney and Bourke large credit card case. Sorry if I have really bad lighting right now, I apologize, but this is in the color Brown Tomorrow. Gosh, that is bad lighting. Anyways, here it is. I have the regular credit card case, which is just really small. It's probably about this much smaller, but this is bigger. And when you open it up, here we go. So I'll take out the stuffing. Here she is. There is, let's see, 6 credit card slots, so 3 here, and it's lined in the Brown Tomorrow, Sierra leather trim. So you got 3 there, and you have a middle zip compartment, which is really cute, so you can put change in there if you want to. But yeah, it's brand new, and then here is the braided zipper pull. And I have so many monogram bags that I can put this in my or my Greta bag, so I can put it in any one of those. There it is. Now I have another purchase that I received about 3 days ago from QVC, so I unboxed that on my own, but here it is. This is brand new. I've never seen this before, but I got this from QVC, and it is the Dooney and Bourke medium wristlet, and it's in the Florentine leather in the color Natural. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of pebbling here, but it's also smooth. And here's the back, pretty pebbled. So yeah, it's a good medium size with the braided zipper pull, and you get a nice detachable wristlet strap. And when you open it up, you've got, I guess there's no slip pocket, but it's just one big compartment. And then you have a little keychain there. So yeah, I've always wanted a wristlet in this color, a wristlet. I don't know if you guys have noticed on Dooney and Bourke's website, they just added it, that there's it's called the large Florentine wristlet, and it's so pretty. I've always wanted it, and it's on pre-order, but you can get it on a really good sale. It's already on sale, and you get extra 30% off, so I would go get one if I were you, and I'm thinking about it. We'll see. It doesn't ship till January, so if you want to wait that long after the holidays, that's up to you. But yeah, I love my new purchases. But yeah, I'm really into SLGs right now. And like I said, stay tuned for my Coach unboxing. It's coming in 2 separate shipments. But yeah, I don't buy a lot from Coach, but I kind of do. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my recent purchases, and I'm gonna figure out what happened to my mom's present. If it's on back order, it might be, but I'm gonna go take a look because it should be with this. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to have yourself an awesome day. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.